Are you looking for the best MIG welding helmets? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best welding helmets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ESAB Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. ESAB Sentinel A50 is made of fine nylon material that gives high resistance to the welding arc. Firstly, its optical clarity is 1/1/1/2 and has a shade range of 5 to 13. Secondly, the use of true color lens technology gives a bluish tint instead of green. Thirdly, this is highly comfortable due to the 5-point headgear that can be adjusted to all head sizes. While being comfortable, it is also simple to use. The control panel has 8 memory settings, so you can set it before welding, giving you quick access when needed. Having a touchscreen control panel helps in various delay and sensitivity settings adjustments. Moreover, the large viewing area with 4 arc sensors provides high visibility while performing MIG welding various materials. You may check this, Best Industrial MIG Welders. Furthermore, the grind mode access is on the external side, and you just have to push a button. All the other settings are inside this MIG helmet. Also, the design is eye-pleasing and balanced, so it does not put extra weight on your body. By balanced, we mean that it easily stays up when you are not welding and can adjust to the resting position quietly with ease. For extra safety, this helmet features hard hat adaptability as well. At number 2. Miller Digital Welding Helmet. Featuring a wide viewing area, 1/1/1/2 optical clarity for arc sensors, and various shade ranges make Miller's digital welding helmet highly valuable. It comes under the list of best MIG welding helmets because of its heavy weight of 2.99 pounds and shade range of 3/5 to 13. Do not worry that the large viewing does not make it heavy. Moreover, this MIG welding helmet gives true color visibility as it comes with clear light lens technology. Talking about visibility, the lens of this welding helmet aims to reduce green tint and gives amazing clarity while welding. Being digital, it has push buttons to change in between 4 modes, 3 being weld, cut, and grind. It features an X mode which gives you the perfect filter while welding, even in sunlight. The digital control panel also has delay settings, and I like this feature the most as it keeps the work smooth. Also, the reaction speed is really fast and it turns on off automatically. Moving on to the design, Miller 280045 is average in comfort, and it is heavily padded and can be adjusted according to the head. The design is said to be ergonomic, but it may not be highly comfortable for all welders. In addition to all that, this has AutoSense, which makes it easy to set sensitivity settings according to visible light. Lastly, the large push buttons and quick-release cover lens also make it easy to use. At number 3. DEKOPRO Welding Helmet. The DEKOPRO is a top-rated MIG welding helmet that comes with a passive filter permanent shade that protects the welder's eyes from UV rays. It has a large viewing area that lets welders do their work without any inconvenience. The full neck coverage protects the welder from any spatters and harmful radiations. Being a medium weight heavy, it has a weight of 1.92 pounds and gives a strong build to the helmet. With the help of a double-layered auto-dimming LCD shutter, it provides a range of shades to visible light. You can see at different angles while protecting yourself as you wear this MIG welding helmet. It is equipped with an LED digital display that shows different settings. The filter illumination is also quite decent as it switches from light to dark within 0.1 to 1 second. Also, it comes with interference suppressing technology that minimizes false triggering due to normal light. You can use it for various welding projects, including plasma cutting, wool cutting, welding, fabrication, and other jobs related to radiation emissions. It has an adjustable headband that fits quite perfectly and is stable, and the distance of the darkening lens can be adjusted to have perfect wear depending on different users. Furthermore, it improves weight distribution and doesn't fall off while providing comfortable wear. At number 4. 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet. The 3M Speedglas 9121 features an auto-darkening filter that shows more realistic colors while you are welding or cutting. Being as lightweight as 1 pound gives you a higher level of productivity, and you don't feel tiresome. You can precisely cut or weld wearing this helmet due to natural-looking colors through the lens. It comes with external helmet controls that let you enable grinding and memory modes using the front panel of this helmet without the need to remove gloves. You can set the memory modes according to your needs and requirements for auto-darkening filter settings and dark shades. It allows you to work by directly putting it on and using the last saved settings. The wide view of 2.8x 4.2 combined with side windows ensures that you get a wide and clear view through the lens while you are wearing it. It is designed in such a way that it is comfortable wear as it is lightweight. You can adjust head straps to keep the helmet fixed on your face. The ventilation system of this welding helmet is quite good as it offers good airflow. It ensures that the fumes don't enter the hood while allowing you to breathe in, reducing fog and making it comfortable for long welding hours. The variable dark shades of 5, 8, and 9 to 13 and light shades of 3 that can be changed using the external button helps you cut in different environments. At number 5. Lincoln Electric Welding Helmet. The Lincoln Viking 3350 comes with 4C lens technology that creates a clear and true color view of arc and puddle, increasing the welding quality. This helps in reducing eye strain while MIG welding using this welding helmet. By providing consistent brightness and performance at different angles, it gets rid of blurriness and imperfections. It uses a 9.3 inches large auto-darkening lens that provides a wide view while protecting the welder's eyes. The headgear is designed so that it evenly distributes the weight across 6 key contact points, improving balance and providing maximum comfort. This welding helmet can adjust to various amps as it has 3 modes: weld, cut, and grind. Moreover, it has an external grind mode button that lets you switch between grind and welding mode without the need to remove the helmet or gloves. One of the main things needed in MIG welding is quick reaction speed. Luckily, this welding helmet gives 1/25,000 seconds reaction speed. Aside from that, it has a 3 years warranty which shows its longevity. Moreover, the weight is also heavy, so you may feel exhausted after long hours of welding. You can easily adjust the delay and sensitivity settings with an easy-to-use control panel. Also, it is solar-powered, and the battery can perform up to 5,000 hours. At number 6. Yeswelder Panoramic Welding Helmet. Well suited for all types of welding like MIG, TIG, and MMA, Yeswelder Panoramic is a unique welding helmet with a 180-degree view. Welders who want to use a cheating lens can easily replace the actual lens for enhanced vision. The visibility of the welding helmet itself is not bad as it has a perfect optical class for 1/1/1/1 along with a 5 to 13 shade range. Yeswelder comes with true color technology, a fast switching speed of 1/25,000 seconds, side viewing windows, and anti-strong arc light. The number of arc sensors is divided as 4 in front and 1 for each side viewing area. All welding work is done more easily as you do not have to move your neck a lot. In addition to all this, the control panel is simple to use. The control panel comes with all needed features like delay and sensitivity adjustments, plus mode and shade settings. Lastly, this is one of the most comfortable welding helmets as it features an oversized cushioned neck rest. The headgear is also adjustable, which makes it easy to fit on your head.